How to start a small business at home. Starting a business is an exciting venture. Without proper planning, however, it can be easy to get overwhelmed with the process. Launching a business out of your home is similar to starting any other business, with the one exception that you will not need to lease commercial space for your business. Develop and fine-tune your business idea. If you're considering how to start a small business at home, chances are you already have an idea of the type of business you plan to launch. If not, identifying your concept should be your first step. If you do have a business idea, you will want to fine-tune your idea before launching your home business. Consider your expertise. You have valuable insights, knowledge and experience that can shape your business idea. Consider your expertise as you further develop your idea. You can also use this information in your business plan, which is explained more below. What problem can you solve? As you hone your business idea, consider what problem you plan to solve. If you are in the early stages of business idea development, consider a problem you can solve and develop a business idea from there. Look at the competition. Research your competitors. Where is there overlap in business offerings? How can you differentiate yourself in these areas? And are there any areas in which the competition is lacking, or holes in the products or services they provide? If so, this might be a prime opportunity for your business. Create a business plan. A business plan is critical for two reasons. It will help you articulate your business goals and objectives, and it can be used to pitch to lenders and investors to obtain funding for your new business. Business plans can vary in the amount of detail provided and length of the plan, but in general, a business plan will include executive summary, the elevator pitch of your business, overview of the business, a more detailed description of your business, market competitive analysis, description of key products, services provided, marketing and sales plan, proposed budget and financial projections. Determine your business entity. You will need to determine the legal structure of your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC or corporation, each of which has pros and cons. Generate business name options. Your business name is one of the most fun parts of the business formation process. It can also be one of the most overwhelming. You want a name that lets customers, clients, competitors and others in the marketplace know about who you are and what you do, and you also want the name to be memorable and creative so that it packs a punch. The business name needs to be available in the state where you will do business. Our business name generator can relieve the burden and eliminate some of the guesswork from the process by generating business name ideas that are available in your state. Register your business name. After you've decided on a business name, you need to register the business name in the state in which you will do business. The specific requirements for registering your business name will vary depending on your business structure. $#, that is what I means $#, whether it's a corporation, partnership, LLC, etc. And the location in which your business will be registered. Register your business. Unless your business is a sole proprietorship, you will need to register your business with the state agency, often the Secretary of State, in the state where you will conduct business. Get your finances in order. Your financial needs will vary significantly depending on the type of business you plan to launch. You will want to create a proposed budget, as well as financial projections, to ensure that you are financially prepared and to pitch to potential investors and lenders. Create a budget and financial projections. Before you launch your business, you'll want to confirm that there will be sufficient revenue to be sustainable. You'll also want to estimate how long it will take to generate a profit and how much the anticipated profits will be. For instance, a service-based consultancy business will likely have very little startup costs, but a product-based business, such as a catering business that you run from your home, may have more upfront costs. Financial projections are estimations of how much money the business will earn and spend over 2 to 3 years. If you plan to obtain a loan or other financing, potential lenders and investors will likely want to see your financial projections so they have a clear understanding of when they will see a return on their investment in your business. Develop a plan to keep tabs on finances. Getting your finances in order also includes considering how you will process and record your sales, expenses, income and revenues once the business is operational. Open a business bank account. Opening a business bank account helps keep personal and business income and expenses separate. Using a business bank account can make it easier to track and record business income and expenses for accounting and tax purposes. You can open a business banking account at your local branch. You may also want to consider obtaining a business credit card as well. Consider obtaining business insurance. If you are a sole proprietor or partnership, You may want to consider obtaining business insurance to cover business-related liabilities since there is no liability protection with these business structures. Create a marketing and sales plan. Before launching your home business, you may want to create a marketing and sales plan so that you are poised for success. Consider how clients and customers will find out about you. Take a look at who in your network may be a potential client, customer, or can help spread the word of your business. And evaluate whether there is room in your budget for advertising, marketing materials, or sales training. Launching a business is exciting, but it takes a lot of hard work and planning, regardless of whether you are starting a business in your home or not. With careful planning, attention to detail, evaluation, and research, you will be well situated to not just launch a business, but to maintain a successful business as well.